We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin. And this is October right now. And the big thing here in the Chinese culture in October, the big festival is the Full Moon Festival. It's one of the three largest festivals and holidays here in Taiwan because you get together with your friends and also with your family. 是一个跟亲朋好友聚在一起的时光啊。所以讲到这个中秋节呢，当然会想到一些东西啦，有包括月亮啦、月饼啦、赏月啦。Anyways, 我们现在就来聊一下这些单词好了。Okay, the moon. We see that almost every day. The moon, 月亮怎么说呢？
月拱。
月拱 That's the moon, okay? Now,It's also called the Full Moon Festival or the Mid-Autumn Festival. 其实中秋节呢，在英文有两个解释，一个就是所谓的中秋嘛，就是秋天的中间，也有人说就是满月嘛，因为中秋节绝对是满月，而且是最远的一天，所以中秋节 in Chinese literally is Mid-Autumn Festival. How do you say that?
八月半。
八月半，
我们可以说8月半。
哦，对对 ，It's based on the lunar calendar, August 15th of the lunar calendar, 所以是8月半。
非常8月15。
8月15。
8月15。
哦，8月15。Okay, so you guys 你们没有这个所谓的中秋节，就对了，就直接用这个月份。
都在讲中秋节，可是大部分人家都会说8月半、8月15。
Okay, gotcha. Because that is the exact date for Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay.最喜欢吃的就是月饼 High calories but tasty. The mooncakes with red bean paste, with walnuts, with meat sometimes. 有好多种口味的月饼。
月饼。
月饼 Okay, so 月公是月亮，月饼是月饼 That's mooncake. And finally, we gotta do some barbecuing. 要烤肉了。
配肉。
配肉。配肉。
烤
肉是肉嘛？
对
啊，配就是
烤
哦，所以要烤什么东西就配一配，烤一烤，配一下
配一下。
That means grilling or barbecuing. 配肉。Okay, so there you go. Those are some of the vocabulary that you can use during the Mid-Autumn Festival. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.